Let's look at the second pattern. You can see some parts are already stitched. Some areas remain unstitched, like this background and these letters. These don't need stitching. What we need to stitch are these 6 stitches above and this small fish above, this whale in middle, and these sea plants below need stitching. Let me demonstrate now. Let's look at first couching stitch. We need 2 threads. One as main thread, another as couching thread. To secure the main thread, you can see some small dots on pattern. These mark where to secure with couching thread. Mark the points. Let's demonstrate this pattern above. Using 6 strands of color number 9 as main thread. To stitch these lines, come up at upper left. Take down diagonally lower right. Move needle up at second line top. Again, take down diagonally lower right. Make 1 straight stitch. Following these steps, complete remaining straight lines. After this side, move needle up at upper right. Take down diagonally lower left, creating crossed pattern. Let's complete this side too. Take down next to line stitch point, or spacing will be too wide. Won't look good. Same above. Come up next to previous stitch. Final stitch down. After completion, knot it back. Turn hoop over. See knot tied before stitching. Now we're done. Need to tie finishing knot here. Pass needle through previous stitches. Hold needle in middle. Then take thread. Wrap around needle twice. Hold wrapped part with finger. Pull needle up. Back knot complete. Cut excess thread with scissors. Now for securing points. Using 6 strands of color number 10 as couching thread, come up right of center point. Take small stitch on left. Come up above, take down below. Creating cross pattern. Continue up right of center. Take down on left. Come up above again. Take down below, securing main thread. Following this method, stitch crosses at each intersection. Final stitch down. Secure main thread at each cross point. Finally knot it back to complete. Let's look at the result. This stitch has shape. Perfect for decorative patterns. Creates nice effects.